Hi guys, how to free up a storage a space from your ChatGPT app. If you are facing ChatGPT a space issue, then here are the process. You can free up a space. Launch ChatGPT app and here click on your profile icon located at bottom left corner and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, click on storage. Thereafter go to right side and here you will see your storage space, available storage space you will see here, and click on manage store files and images, available images. If you want to delete, click on it and you will find all your files and images here. If you want to free up a space, then simply click on three horizontal dot against the files and images and choose delete, and it will release extra space for your ChatGPT app. That's all.